What's up everyone, it's Mike Sherrard, and today I want to share with you guys how I got business in real estate using Instagram stories. Alright everyone, as mentioned, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike Sherrard, and today I'm going to share you guys how not only I got business using Instagram stories as a real estate agent, but also some tips and tricks on what you can do if you aren't already leveraging them for your business. Now, Instagram stories are really neat. They give you an opportunity that the standard posts and videos don't necessarily give you. But what I find is that a lot of real estate agents aren't necessarily leveraging them as best as they could. So here's what I did, and then after I tell you what I did, I'm going to give you guys a bit of insight as to what you can do and some tips and tricks to make 2019 the best year for lead generation on social media. So what I used to do, and one of the biggest things that helped me get business on Instagram stories, is I used to share with people my lifestyle. Now, what is that? My lifestyle is almost on the more hustler side, in the sense that I used to wake up at 4 in the morning, 7 days a week, and I used to go to bed at midnight 7 days a week. And what happened was, by documenting using Instagram stories, the fact that I was getting up at 4 in the morning, going to the gym, responding to emails, creating videos like this, and then working extremely late as well, people who started following me, which was a lot of local people here in Calgary, Alberta, started getting an idea of what my lifestyle was like. And the frequent comments that I received from people that reached out and wanted to work with me is they said, you know, Mike, I see you getting up at 4 in the morning while all these other agents aren't responding to me until 10 in the morning. I want someone who's gonna hustle to sell my house like that. So what they did is they started taking note of my work ethic by way of Instagram stories. Not only that, but people were seeing that I was giving a very authentic and transparent glimpse into who I was as a person. I was showing people what I was like before I would go into a listing presentation. Especially, I was actually telling people if I was maybe the underdog going into a listing presentation up against a top, well-known local industry leader here, and I would explain to them what would happen if I got the listing, or maybe what would happen if I didn't win the listing. And what that gave people an opportunity to do is to understand what I am like as a person. People really liked the fact that I was being honest and transparent about not only the wins, but also the hard times, the losses, and the failures, because it made me much more relatable than just boasting about all the wins and only sharing the good times, when we very well know that's not always the case. So what you guys need to do is exactly that. Give people an authentic and transparent insight as to what you are like as a person, because using Instagram stories, you have a really exciting opportunity to, again, vlog your life. Give people a behind the scenes look at inspections where you maybe come across something really unique and you never have seen before, or a listing that is really cool and really exciting. Maybe it's in a luxury space and people would not otherwise have access to a property of that magnitude. Use the stories, again, to document your life, show your hustle, show your passions, and use it as the ability to build relationships with people more so than just a post. Because yes, pictures are worth 1,000 words, but people also say videos are worth 1,000 photos. So use that to build a relationship with people, so that if they decide to reach out with you because of your work ethic or your funny personality or whatever you've got going on for you to leverage, the listing presentation, you're going to notice, actually changes from you having to pitch yourself to you actually just consulting them, because they've already made the conscious decision off of your videos that they like your personality, they like your work ethic, they like what you stand for, they like you as a person, which is why they reach out to you and not someone else. So in 2019, guys, it's so important to give people a really deep inside scoop as to why you would be the best fit for them. Please make sure you comment below if you guys have any, questions about Instagram in general, or Instagram stories specifically, for not just real estate, but anything in entrepreneurship. Please smash that like button, and please subscribe, Thanks so much for tuning in, and we will see you next time.